Document automation is an AI solution with the Power Platform that provides functional end-to-end document processing to accelerate and optimize existing operations such as accounts payable to free workers from repetitive, low-value, and error-prone tasks. From Power Automate, you can navigate to the AI Builder document automation page to install the solution in less than 10 minutes. You just need to provide the mailbox that will receive the incoming documents. The next step is to build a model to extract data from your documents using AI Builder Forms processing. You can declare the fields to be extracted and provide samples for each of your suppliers. Tag your documents, train, and publish. You can customize this solution to use any of the pre-built models available in AI Builder, like invoice processing. Finally, you can launch the validation application from the document automation page to configure the model to be used in the pipeline. Now, every new email received with an attachment will be processed by the pipeline to extract data. A human can review and edit the data extracted as appropriate where data requires revision. Otherwise, the extracted data can be automatically exported to the target system, which you can configure by creating an export cloud flow with support to over 450 connectors, as well as robotic processing automation bots. Integrating several of the low-code capabilities of the Power Platform, document automation is an easy-to-implement and completely customizable solution, bringing significant cost and productivity improvements to your organization.